Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE AXON 20 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So all we have to do is to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. I'll start with the 3 buttons navigation. If you've got one, then all you have to do is to tap on the button with a square icon, and then you will be transferred to the recents. If you've got the gestures, just like me, all you have to do is to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device. Do it kind of maybe slowly and hold your finger somewhere here. And after releasing, you can see that here we've got the recents, and if you want to, you can close only one of it or 2 of them, just swipe them up. But if you want to close all of them with only one click, just tap on this trash bin icon. As you can see, we just got back to the home page. We've got also the information, but we can try to check. Of course, we've got a camera here because I've accidentally tapped on it. However, after entering, you can see that we've got no recent items, which simply means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your ZTE AXON 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.